blood pressure, particularly in middle age. What happens when you get
very good
plan cover. So we are excited that today to observe the emerging trends and seek, and that will cover you between 6 plans. You can choose between 300,000 all the way to 5 million. You have 6 options of what you would want covered. It covers pre-existing, which Doc mentions, and chronics, and yes, it covers COVID-19.
You can join from age 60 all the way to 80 years. And those who turn 80, when they are already insured with us, they can continue indefinitely as long as they keep on renewing the cover. So the product is coverage is quite expansive. It caters for inpatient expenses, outpatient, dental, and optical expenses.